Welcome, in front of me is a Vodafone Smart Platinum 7, and today I will show you how to import contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, obviously we want to open up contacts, so let's go into the Contacts app, and from here you want to tap on the three dots and choose Import Export. This will bring up a window, and in here we have the option to import all SIM contacts. So let's select that. And there we go. Now in here, unfortunately, we don't have any way of selecting which contacts we want to import, so it just imports all of them. And if you don't want some of them, then you will have to go and simply delete them after you imported all of them. But that is basically how you import your contacts. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.